Good morning, thank you for watching. This is a 2011 Chrysler Town & Country Rollx conversion wheelchair accessible vehicle. The vehicle has advanced keyless entry system, so you can actually just press the doors to unlock and lock it. It also has the regular key where you can lock the vehicle and unlock it. And then it has an auxiliary remote with a one-button touch here. That'll open up the vehicle's door. It actually has a kneeling feature on it as well to reduce the angle of the approach. Then has the in-floor ramp that slides out very gently. Once the ramp is extended, you can come on inside. Has the third row seats here, and then this second row seat sits in place and locks and unlocks with this handle here, so it's fully removable. These front seats are also removable with the same kind of mechanism there. And then this seat has underneath of it an easy lock system. So if that seat is removed, you can actually have wheelchair sit right in there and lock into the system. The vehicle has push button start, navigation screen. You have auxiliary port for like smartphones, USB. It's satellite ready. Steering wheel controls with cruise control, all kinds of audio on it as well. There's actually these buttons on the rear that control the volume. It's a top of the line vehicle, so it does have just about every option on it. Garage door remotes. Those are the power functions for the driver's side sliding door, power rear tailgate, and then the passenger side door, and you can have the doors be power or not power by turning that on and off there. In the middle you actually have not one but two DVD screens here for your rear passengers. And then in these middle two you actually have the wireless headphones. This button right here also controls the ramp. This vehicle comes with a full strut of restraint wheelchair straps, and then there's a spare tire underneath here as well. Again, both doors do slide open, power. When the vehicle turns on, that easy lock system is looking for wheelchair, so you can just mute it there. Engine runs very well. It's a little 3.6 liter V6. It's got a newer battery on it as well. So overall, just a very nice, fully loaded wheelchair van.